Vivo has already released a bunch of Vivo X300 phones, and it's seemingly going for a 6th release under the X300 series, and it's called X300e. We first heard about the Vivo X300e back in February thanks to a leaked IMEI number in the GSMA database. And now, the well-known digital chat station tipster from Weibo revealed most of the handset's hardware. The Vivo X300e will sport a 6.59-inch 1.5K OLED display with a flat panel design. An ultrasonic fingerprint sensor powering the device will be Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, the same as the Vivo X300FE. Includes a 50MP main sensor paired with an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 50MP IMX8 periscope camera for zoom shots. The selfie on the front is 50MP. The X300e is said to pack a large 7015 mAh or 7100 mAh battery, along with 90W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.